Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we have a special treat for you today. Now, we've used lots of HyperShifts before. We've also used candy concentrate a bunch of times. We've even combined them together in one project where we applied a House of Color candy concentrate on top of a HyperShift pearl. But the one thing we haven't done yet, which I'm very excited about, is mixing together HyperShifts and House of Color candy concentrates. Now, here's why I'm excited to do this project. When we put the House of Color candy over the HyperShift, it dramatically muted the shifting effect of the HyperShift pearl. I think if we add just the right amount of the House of Color candy into the mix of the HyperShift pearls, it'll not only change it and enhance it, but hopefully maintain that shifting property. Now, when we had this project on the schedule, I looked at Gabe earlier this week. I said, you know what we haven't done in a long time? Spray a car in AutoFlex professional coatings. Now, obviously, the majority of our videos, we use our DIY products, and we can do amazing things with those products, and most of our viewers utilize the DIY. That's why we focus more of our attention on those products. But it's time to remind you guys what AutoFlex can do. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we are all done with today's project, and there were two things that we specifically set out to do with this color combination. One is we wanted to enhance the look of the ZGF Pearl, and two, we wanted to maintain the shifting properties of the HyperShift Pearl, and I'm happy to say we nailed both of them. We absolutely enhanced the look of the ZGF. The colors are deeper, they're bolder, the orange has moved over to kind of like a red, and the greens are out of this world. It's beautiful, but more importantly, the car still shifts like crazy. So happy we didn't mute the shifting properties. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Now, of course, we sprayed this car in our professional AutoFlex Coatings line. Now, you can do the same color combo in the DIY products, but if you want your car sprayed in AutoFlex, which is on a completely different level than anything else in the industry, we have a ton of DipYourCar authorized installers that can do the job for you. There's a link below where you can find an installer near you. Let's go outside, check out the car. If you want to dip your own car, click up here. We have a ton of different car kits to choose from. It's Fonzie. Thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you on the next video.